Looking for ways to generate passive income? You're in the right place. Passive income can provide financial freedom and security. Let's explore some ideas for passive income streams. Real estate investments can be a lucrative source of passive income. Creating and selling online courses is another great way to generate passive income. Investing in dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of passive income. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn passive income by promoting products or services. Generating passive income through rental properties can be a smart investment. Creating and selling digital products can be a scalable way to earn passive income. Investing in index funds can provide a diversified and low-maintenance passive income stream. Building a successful blog with monetization strategies can generate passive income. Investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms can provide a passive income source. Selling print-on-demand products online can be a profitable passive income stream. Investing in rental properties through real estate crowdfunding platforms can generate passive income. Creating and selling stock photos online can provide a passive income source for photographers. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a high-risk, high-reward way to earn passive income. Creating and monetizing a YouTube channel can generate passive income through ad revenue. Investing in dividend-paying ETFs can provide a passive income stream with built-in diversification. Creating and selling ebooks online can be a profitable source of passive income. Remember, passive income streams require effort and dedication, but the rewards are worth it.